Greetings and thank you for joining us at Pro Health Westwood Health and Fitness Center. Today we are with Brian Mace. Brian, your qualifications are highly extensive to say the least, but to the audience, just so they have some perspective, here's the short version. You have degrees in both engineering sciences and exercise physiology, over 35 years of athletic training experience, and particularly 17 years of personal training experience here at Westwood. A sample of some of your specialties include post-rehab training and neuromuscular disabilities. Now, there's three topics to talk about that I'd like to ask you. Topic number one, muscle imbalances.
Well, in the human body, there's actually 206 bones and over 400 muscles that balance and move the human body. When they become imbalanced, things don't work correctly. And the different layers, whether it's the skeletal muscles or the actual functioning strength muscles, all have to be balanced and they all have to be coordinated. So it's not just them functioning, it's them functioning together and working as a unit. Making that happen literally takes away most of the discomfort in the human body, whether it's arthritis. The only exception would be genetic dispositions that require some other intervention.
And the other item here to address, joint function. Can you tell us about joint function?
So early on I found that working with people that had had joint replacements, specifically a knee replacement, the knee that was replaced literally changed back to the same dimension that it was in less than 2 years post replacement. So I've created the Advantage program for a pre-joint replacement, which actually balances all the muscles out at each individual joint that's involved. And it doesn't matter if you're bow-legged or pigeon-toed or whatever. If you're at a point where you need the replacement, I will take your body and I will put it anatomically correct, muscularly, because your muscles move those joints. Those joints are going to be anatomically correct when they're done, so they need to be able to move that way. I get a very large population that has pretty close to the full range of motion days after surgery.
Absolutely. And regarding one of your specialties, I know you work with special populations. This includes helping people who have Parkinson's, strokes, or traumatic brain injuries. Can you provide some insight on these specific conditions as well?
Now, with the special populations, it's always very challenging because any traumatic brain injury is different. So I've been troubleshooting systems for 40 years. I just happen to have been troubleshooting the human system for the last 20. And with brain injuries, I literally have to figure out a neural connection that's not there and reestablish one. And through all the years of working in that environment, I've figured out different ways of getting that stimulation. Certain diseases, Parkinson's, MS, ALS, there's certain patterns that are going to happen, and through the years I've figured out what these patterns are, and I know the progression of the diseases, so I can help slow that down or give the patient enough information that they can overcome and deal with the scenarios, and even including the medicine that they're taking, at what times they're taking, and what's going to happen in a 4-hour period. You know, it gets very specific to each individual and each disease. But it's a very complicated world, but I enjoy it so much. I lost my mom to ALS at the age of 49, and she said, "No, don't you give up on me, and I won't give up on you."
Brian, you've shared a lot, and we really appreciate all of your expertise and experience. You've helped a lot of people here at Westwood, so thank you so much for answering these questions. For anybody listening right now, to learn more, you can call the fitness desk directly at the following number, 262-513-7209. or visit the website at westwoodfitness.org.